Hi, welcome to our hierarchy management tool designed to make complex structures simple and visual. At the heart of this tool is a recursive logic. Each entry knows its parent, and the tool automatically builds the hierarchy step by step, no matter how deep the levels go. Let's start with an organization chart. Each employee has an ID, a name, and a manager ID. With this structure, you can instantly see the reporting relationships. You can see the employee name, employee ID, and the manager ID. In the employee name, you can add more information if you wanted, like the job title, etc. It creates the chart. Let's take the BOM. Here on the create chart. You can see that it has created the chart. Tool automatically validates your data. If a parent ID does not exist or is entered incorrectly, it flags the error instantly. Now if I put 1 here, it flags the following employee is not in employee list. So I'll mark this one and then validate all employee list is correct. Format this. You can see that the colors has been changed.